So in the series of Vedic mathematics, today we will learn how to find the square root of any number very quickly, right? So we will use the same technique which we have used in a previous video to find the cube root, but the implementation would be a little bit different. The reason behind that is that in case of cube root, right, we used to have a unique number. When a number was used to end, we used to have a unique number, right, against everything, right? But here for every last number we can have more than one options, right? For example, 1, right? I can say that 1 into 1 is 1, right? Or 9 into 9 is also 81. So if the number ends with 1, so we have two possibilities, right? Either it would be 1 last number, or it would be 9, right? Similarly for 4 also, right? 2 into 2 is 4, right? Or 8 into 8 is also 64, right? So we can have two options, right? For 5, we just have one option, the number will end with 5, right? For 6, we can have again two options, 4 and 6, right? 4 into 4 is 4 into 4 is 16, right? And 6 into 6 is also 36, right? Last number is 6, right? Similarly for 9 also, 3 into 3 is 9, right? And 7 into 7 is 49, right? So 9 also have two options, 3 or 7. 0 will have only one option, 0, right? It should end with 0, right? Other numbers which are not here, like 2, 3 and 7. So so you will never find the square of any numbers which ends with 2, 3 and 7. So those numbers are ignored over here, right? Okay, so we will refer this table, right, to find the square root. And the second table is that we will have a reference kind of table of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 100. I have written it. You can extend this logic to more numbers also, right? 110, 1120, like that, okay? But I have kept till 100, right? So okay, so what we will do in this step is that first we will find we will write the last number, okay? And it will have two options, right? If the number ends with 1, so it either the last number will be 1 or 9, right? And then we will try to find a number which is closer to this, right? 40 or 50, whatever is there, right? And then we will see, for example, if it's something around 16 and some ends with 1, so we will see whether it's close to 1600 or not. If it's close, then we will pick 1, and if not, we will pick 9, right? So let's take few examples. Let's take the example of 7744, right? So the numbers is ending with 4, right? So 4 will have two options, 2 or 8, right? So I will write either it can be 2 or either it can be 8, right? Now I will see the complete number, right? It's 7744, right? So I will see 7744 lies between what? 80 and 90, okay? So the first number would be 80, 82, 8 or 88, right? These are the two options which we have, right? But as you can see, if you can see, right, 7744 and is closer to 6400, or is it closer to 1800, right? Here in this case, if you can see, it is closer to 8100, right? So we will pick the larger one. So the answer would be 88. Okay, let's take one more example, 9801, right? So as I mentioned, right, the n number is 1, right? So it can be either 1 or it can be 9. So I will write 1, I will write 9 over here, okay? Now I will see this 9801. So it lies between what? 8100 and 10,000, right? Okay. So, but 9800, so we will have two options. So 9 would be here and 9 would be here. Okay. But you can see, right? I mean, it's 9801 is closer to what? 10,000, right? So we will pick 99. Okay. Let's take one more example. 5184, right? So 4 means either it would be 2 or 8, right? 2 or 8. Okay. Then 5184 is between what? 4900, right? So it would be either 72, it lies between 4900 and 6400, right? Or it can be 78, right? But you can see this 5184 is closer to this 4900, instead of this. So I will pick this. So the answer would be 72. Got it? Let's pick one more last example before we end this video. So 2304. Okay, 2304. So if I go to this table, I will see it can be either 2, it can be either 8, right? Then I will go to this table, okay, and I will see 2304 is it lies between 1600 or 2500. Okay, so the option would be either it should be 42 or either it will be 48. Okay, but if you can see, right, it's closer to this 2500, so I will pick this 48. Got it? Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, please do like this video and subscribe to our Maths Grow channel. Thanks again.